You're on.
Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I am going to make a video about doing coconut butter, and I just wanted to, I thought I would come on here and do it. It's my first time doing it. I haven't even done a test run or anything. So I figured this is how, just let me get right into it and show you how I am going to do it. So this one is the coconut. So this is the coconut here. So this one is the native coconut. The native coconut, Jamaican native coconut, it's more, would you say dry, sweetie?
More bone.
More bone dry. Yes, it's more bone dry. When you're grating it, boy, it's like it's very hard, so it's not soft where it's gonna fall apart on you. When you hold it, it goes, it's firm. Most time they use these coconuts to make well, we used to use it to do everything, but now that they have some imitations, well, they're still coconut, but they're not, we don't know where those ones came from, but originally came from, but this is the native ones. And so now we find that these are better to do everything, whether to make the coconut oil, coconut custard, to make your rice and peas. But if say you have the native and you have the other one, which the skin is more white, it's better to use that one to make the if you want to make a choice, use the other one to make the rice and peas, and save this one to make your rundown or your coconut oil, or for what I'm going to do now. So this is how it is. I took it out of the shell, and I grated some to show you how I do. So you want to use the shredder, the shredded part of the grater, because you want it to get flaky. All right, over here now, these ones were done with the grater. These ones, I do not know why it came out brown. I do not know if it's because it oxidizes more when I use the grater, but it comes out like that. And this one was done in the blender. So what I did, I just went ahead and cut them up fine, small enough, put them in here with no water, and just turned the blender on, and it chopped it up to this I kind of pulse it. So I turn on the blender, and I stop, turn on, stop, turn on, stop, to make it so that it could shred it up. I am gonna go ahead now and make the oil. Oh, I have to tell you this. So being here in Jamaica with the sun so hot, I put them in the sun to make them dry, to get out most of the moisture, because you want it to be crispy in order to blend it. So these were done in the sun. And what happened now, what I find here in Jamaica, because it's humid, if you're going to want something crispy, as soon as it gets crispy, you have to seal it up right away, because if you leave it, it's gonna get back soggy. The oil is gonna start, it's like it was dehydrated, and then the heat allows it to rehydrate. And so now it was dried crispy in the sun, and then I have to put it back in the dehydrator in order now to get it crispy to do this video. All right, so even though they're two different colors, I'm going to mesh them all together because it's for my home use, and I want to get this coconut butter. So this is how these look. All right, so let's go ahead now and put them. Which one do I put first? All right, let me try and make sure that I do this right. Okay. Hopefully it will be okay to blend. I could do it separately, but I don't know. All right. Let's do this. Okay. All right. Is it in? All right. This may take about 15 minutes. I hope not that long. So let's see. So let's stop, give the blender a little break and mix this up so that we can incorporate what's at the bottom to bring it up. So far, this is what it's looking like. It smells so good because this is all coconut. This is no gimmicks. This is the real thing. So now that I spin it over and get what's at the top, push it down the bottom, I'm gonna go back in. All right. Let's go. This is all ready. Okay. So here you go, family. Coconut butter. Doesn't it smell nice? Mm-hmm. Coconut butter. So this coconut butter now, you can use it. You can use it to on your bread. You can use it. So this is a raw bread that I make in the dehydrator. I will come back here with the recipe for you. So here it is. So rich, so good, so yummy. Next time when I would suggest when you're making it, do not use the grater. Do it, because I tried it both ways and you saw how it came out. The ones that I used with the grater, it was brown, and the one that I did in the blender was white. So this is all natural, so good. So now I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna go in and try a piece of this. One second. Oh wow. Homemade coconut butter. When you have the real thing like this, don't be shy. You know you're eating well. You want to enjoy. Mm. Mm. So good. So rich, so creamy. So it tastes, like you would say, it tastes organic. It's, I don't know, it's just good. It's just something that you have to make for yourself. You have to give it a try, Simple Life.
So you could put that in the fridge and let it gel up?
Oh gosh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm?
Okay.
So yes, if you put this in the fridge,
Mm-hmm.
it is going to come together.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But you can also keep it out if you want it. I wouldn't, personally, I wouldn't want to keep it in the fridge because it's not going to spoil if I leave it out. And I want it to be ready when I am ready.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So here you go, here, Simple Life. Coconut butter. All you do is shred the coconut, put it to dry to become crispy, blend it, and you have your own rich, healthy butter. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you will like this video, subscribe, share it with others so that they can know how to live healthy, be healthy, stay healthy, especially in this here time of pandemic. Whatever you do, you're at home for yourself, it's much better and way cheaper. I used 2 coconuts to do this, so 2 of these, and I paid 200 Jamaican dollars for those coconuts. And if you were to go in the store to buy this, it would cost at least $12.
Arm and a leg.
Yeah, at least $12, and to buy the coconut butter. And you see how I do it. You know it's natural. You know it's ready. The only difference now is because one was brown, so it gives it the brown color. So give it a try. Let me know. Come back here and share and let me know. If you want, when you're blending, you could add some salt to it. But I do not want the added salt, so I did not put any. So thank you for coming, Simple Life. And thank you for subscribing, sharing, and spending your time here with me. Bye for now. God bless.